Hello everyone, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, we're doing a ChatGPT plugin review. And this one, we're going to be covering AskYourPDF. This is a great plugin. I'm going to show you how to use it, and I'm going to show you a couple of use cases. It should only take a couple minutes at most. Let's get going here. So the first step, let's just start from scratch. I'm going to click on New Chat here at the left side, and then I'm going to switch from 3.5 to GPT-4. Currently, it's in beta, so the plugins are still in beta. But what you want to do is make sure there's a check mark beside plugins. So you'll see the check mark there. Good. Click on that, and then when you do that, you'll get this little drop-down box here, and you'll see here that I have AskYourPDF installed. If you do not see that, and you'll also see a check mark beside it. If you don't see it, just click on the plugin store like I did there, and then you just got to find it. At the moment, there's currently no search option, so you just got to find it. It's in the popular on the second page right now for me, but it's in there somewhere. Okay, once you've done that, click on the install button, and we are rolling. The next step, and I recommend this for all plugins, is just go, how do I use this plugin? And it will run out and tell you, hey, here's what the plugin is, and here's what it does. So here we go. You'll see here that it's going to type up a whole bunch of stuff. And yeah, here we go. So I've already done this, so I'm going to let you skip this part, and we're going to go back to the previous chat. Or no, it's already done, so that's okay. So I'm going to go ahead, and you'll see here that says you need to upload your document first. You can do this by visiting this link. So you basically need to have a document, and it's got to be on the internet. So I'm going to click on the link, and it's not a bait and switch. There's no problems here. It takes you to AskYourPDF.com. Now, all you need to do is just go into your Finder, grab something. I've got a Spark Notes, so I'm going to show you a use case here. I've got a Spark Notes of Lord of the Flies. So I want to figure out what Lord of the Flies is all about. So here we go. I'm going to upload my PDF. You'll see it's uploaded. And then I'm just going to click this link here. That gives me the doc ID. That's what we need. So let's go back into ChatGPT-4. And then that's it. So now what I'm going to do is write what is this document about. And then I'm going to just copy and paste in that doc ID. And it's going to look through it. It's going to read it over. You'll see here that it's summoning or asking using AskYourPDF. And then bang, now it's going to chirp out exactly what it is. So here we go. It appears to be a Spark Notes guide for the novel Lord of the Flies. Here are some key points. Okay, beautiful. Who is the protagonist? I'm just going to give you one more example in this document. I'm going to Command V again, and then let's see what happens. It should give me, what is it, Ralph? Or I think it was Ralph. I can't remember now. It's been a few years since I've read it. Is Ralph. Look at that. Wow, my grade 11 English teacher would be so proud of me. So there you go. That's how you use it. Those are all the steps to it. It's a great plugin. Definitely worth it. Thanks for watching.